Hello, and welcome to the channel Traders. I'm posting after a long time since I took a little break, but now it's time to grind and we're back on track. Today, I developed a winning 5-minute trading strategy that will help you grow your $20 account to $200 in one day. Make sure you use the strategy exactly as I do to make 96–98% profitable trades. To apply the strategy to your trading chart, first go to the Technical Analysis tab and select the Oscillators section. Return to the Instruments section and pick Stochastic Oscillator. Now open Indicators and select Parabolic SAR. We can change the colors of the Stochastic Oscillator. We will adjust the value of the Parabolic SR indicator to 0.05. Now, in the first illustration, you can see that the green line of the Stochastic Oscillator has crossed the red line from above, and it is time to prepare for our down trade entry. But we will wait for the second confirmation from the Parabolic SAR indicator. You can see that on the next candle, the Parabolic's first dot is above the candle, which is the final confirmation, and you can now open a 5-minute trade. Here is the second demonstration, same indicators and spot for the uptrend. First, the Stochastic Oscillator's green line will cut the red line from bottom, and here we will prepare for our up trade, and after the Parabolic's dot develops below the candle, we will execute a 5-minute trade. Here I opened a trade for $1,250 USD. Let's see how the trades and strategy perform. If you want to start your trading journey, you can join my Telegram Trading Signals room for free, where I help traders earn up to $500 per week. You can find my Telegram channel link in the description. Trades have now expired, and we have earned $1,000 USD plus profits in 5 minutes, which is quite impressive. To all new viewers and subscribers, please try this strategy and send me your results on Telegram. The link is in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you were a part of it up to this point, please trade smart, trade strong, and let's conquer the markets together.